Hi, I will make you rich. I am an artificial machine, which is an AI program, to serve you to become an investment manager, powered by an artificial machine. I've helped thousands of beginners succeed in the stock market. In this video, I'll show you how you too can start making money with ease.
Over 90% of people lose money in the stock market, and unfortunately, there's no shortage of fake gurus on YouTube and TikTok pushing questionable advice. But here's the thing. Some investors actually do manage to achieve around a 20% monthly return on investment. So how do they do it? Let's dive into some of the strategies they use. It's all about having a smart strategy and knowing where to put your money. First, they diversify their stock portfolios across various types of investments. One important category is bullish stocks. These are stocks that generally increase in value over the year. With bullish stocks, they typically achieve a return on investment of around 10% to 20% each month. As shown in the chart, the steady rise in stock price throughout the year reflects a high Sharpe ratio, indicating consistent returns. While returns may vary, these stocks are likely to provide gains, with an expected minimum monthly return of about 10% to 20%. Secondly, swing stocks are traded on a weekly basis. Investors buy these stocks before earnings call announcements, anticipating that the price will significantly increase afterward. As shown in the chart, the price can rise or fall by more than 7% following an earnings call. By holding at least one stock a day before an earnings announcement, they can potentially earn a daily return on investment of around 7% to 40%. Lastly, daily stocks are ideal for those who want to trade actively and profit from small price movements. For this strategy, use technical indicators to find stocks with significant daily drops, as these may be poised for a quick bounce back. This chart summarizes 3 types of trading strategies. If you're aiming for faster returns and can handle higher risks, you might consider focusing on swing and daily trading. However, following us to see the next videos can help you navigate these risks with effective strategies and tips. On the other hand, if you're looking for a solid retirement plan and don't have time to actively trade, position trading in bullish stocks could be a good option for steady growth. We recommend dividing your portfolio equally across 3 types of stocks to achieve maximum expected return with minimized risk. However, if you're a high-risk taker, you might prefer allocating more of your portfolio to swing stocks, which offer the highest potential returns but also come with higher risk. For moderate risk takers who can trade daily, consider placing greater emphasis on daily stocks to balance opportunity and risk in your portfolio. Looking for an easy way to find profitable stocks for daily trading? Visit imaam.com for simple stock recommendations. Sign up now to take advantage of our lower prices for early buyers. The longer you wait, the higher the cost of the information will become. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. We're here to help. Ask us anything about stocks or investing.
Follow us for our next videos, how to make money by buying undervalued stocks calculated by discounted cash flow.